Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's Laravel tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to integrate the Bootstrap template with the PHP Laravel 10. So there is just some steps. We'll go through the step by step. So first step is that create a Laravel project. There is a command is that composer. Already we have discussed about the composer in the previous videos. So composer create project, then preferred this, then Laravel/Laravel, then Laravel Bootstrap. I'm giving the name for the project Laravel Bootstrap. And second, I'll go to that particular uh, the project, and I'll create the controller. So creating the controller command is php artisan make controller home controller I'm creating. So and we are creating some pages. So layout page I'm creating for the home, and inner pages for the I'm creating the different layout, because that inner pages I'm not using the big slider or something else. So like that I'm going to create. So fourth step, download the Bootstrap template, and 5, you can just configure the databases and how to run the Laravel. If you have to check the Laravel version, then this is the command, and php artisan clear if you want to clear the config. So first of all, I'm just going to create the Laravel project. So I'm going to one folder. So that is a Chirag Laravel folder. Here I'm just calling command line, and here I'll run the command composer, then create project, referdisk Laravel/Laravel, then Laravel Bootstrap. Let Laravel Bootstrap is already there. Let me rename this. So I'm creating the Laravel Bootstrap project. So automatically it will start installing the Laravel and all the dependencies, libraries. So meanwhile, I'm going to download one template. I'm going to download the template from the free CSS. Select any one template as you want. I'm just going for the audio meeting, and there is your option download. Click on download. On downloaded. With this template, just pasting here. So whenever you will download a template, just extract and check template is running proper or not, because that is only with the HTML files. So there is a 3 files are there. There is assets and vendor, and there is a index.html, meeting.html, and so let me open that file. This is my template. First thing, I want to go for the template integration of template. This is the inner pages. So inner pages preview is different because there is some heading is coming, and home page there is one video slider is there. Video is there, then bottom there is a slider. So that's why I'm created 2 layout. Let it complete. It will take few seconds. So all the JavaScript file, CSS and JavaScript images and font file will be available inside the vendor, inside the assets and vendor. Also there is a Bootstrap and jQuery files will be available there. So we need all the files and the look of the template. So this thing will integrate with that. So this is completed. cd Laravel bootstrap. I'm going to inside the folder, then code dot open with the VS Code. Let me open the folder. Okay, first thing, let project is created. PHP artisan make controller. I want to make the controller. So here I'm taking the controller. You can run with the console also. So here PHP artisan serve. Let me run and test the Laravel app is running or not. When so yeah, Laravel is opening there. I'm running with the Laravel 10.13.0 and PHP is 8.2.4. Next I'm taking one more controller, and here I will just make the controller terminal. I'm taking the controller, taking the terminal and making the controller. So PHP artisan make controller, then home controller. Let me check inside the app folder. There is a http. Inside the http there is a controller. I am creating the home controller. My home controller is created now. So here I'll just create the pages and I'll call the pages whatever the pages we created. So in resources, inside the view, this is the MVC. So there is a model is there, model file will be there, and views file will be there, and there is a controller file. So MVC format. So inside the views, I'll just right click, I'll create the page. So there is the layout dot blade dot php layout inner dot blade dot php home dot blade dot php, and one more page I'm going to create, about dot blade dot php. This many pages I have created. So I have to create all the method for all the pages. So public function index, here I'm calling return view of page name is home. Only we have two pages there, about both the pages are created. Method is created for both the pages. Now I have to define this pages into the roots, method into the roots. So here root get, and I'm creating home. My controller name is home controller, index call. Similarly I'll just call the about, and whenever you are calling any controller to the web.php, you have to use app slash http slash controllers slash home controller. So now I'm just going to call the home page. This is the about page. So both the pages able to access or not. Home, yeah, I'm able to access the home, and about both the pages I am able to access now. So now I'm going to integrate the template. This is the index page. Let me later on we'll just add on that one. So index page is my home page. I'm going to open this one in Visual Studio Code, and here in HTML5 up to body give the menu, header, banner, area, coming meeting. Let me check up to that. Coming meeting, before upcoming meeting, all the things I'm going to add into my layout page, and here I'll call the child function, child method. So content, and then I'll put the footer part, the index page. So in middle part, whatever the middle section before footer, I'll just contact us footer 2 times body is there, this to content. This one I'm giving to the home page. So home page I'll just extend first, extend layout. I'll just call the section and section middle, whatever the mining code the footer part. This one should be in layout, yield mining home page. Now let me refresh the page. So all the content is coming, but CSS and JavaScript is not loaded. So I'll just copy the CSS, JavaScript, whatever I have, I'll put it into the public folder. Then I have to call all the CSS and JavaScript on this page. So here I'll call like that and code. Now I have to paste this code inside the folder. At the similar thing I'll do with the footer part. There is also JavaScript are calling. Thing asset then call all the files inside the asset. Asset. Now let me refresh the page. See, all the files are loaded successfully. So in this way we can add the pages. Now I'm going to the about. So about we have a blank, and about should be in the different inner page. Now I'm just going to call this page layout page will be equal to same as that page, calling the same page, and about that page will be changed, while header part and footer part will be the same. Subheader, I'm just removing subheader, and header section before yield function, removing that, and I'm opening here any page, meeting page, that will Visual Studio Code. Here subheader will be the different, and header and headings. Now here I'll call extend layout section and so let me refresh the page. Okay, not layout, layout inner, calling the wrong page. So layout inner when I'm calling, so I'm getting the this one and about us part. Now whatever I will put the about us page, it will come to the this page. So here I'll write about us. So both the page is different. This page is the different header and home page is the different header. So both the way we can add the Bootstrap template to that. So in this video we have learned how to integrate the Bootstrap template with the PHP Laravel 10, and there is just some steps. So go through the steps by steps, and please subscribe, like, and for the more videos don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Hope this will help.